Hi, my name is Jessica Villota. Good morning. Have you ever? Have you ever visited Machu Picchu? No, I haven't. Have you ever played the guitar? No, I haven't. Have you ever taken over 1,000 pictures during one day? No, I haven't. Have you ever buyed a famous star? No, I haven't. Have you ever done exercise on the beach? No, I haven't. Have you ever gone skiing? No, I haven't. Haven't you ever mounted a motorcycle? Yes, I have. Have you ever drunk tequila? Yes, I have. Have you ever driven a car? No, I haven't. Haven't you ever read Harry Potter? No, I haven't. Haven't you ever found money in the street? Yes, I have. Have you ever learned English before? Yes, I have. Have you ever run marathon? No, I haven't. Haven't you eaten tacos at home? No, I haven't. Have you ever been over 15 hours in your office? No, I haven't. Haven't you ever visited the Great Wall on China? No, I haven't. Had you ever had an iPhone before? No, I haven't. Had you ever swim with dolphins? No, I haven't. Had you ever lost your wallet? Yes, I have. Had you ever slept on your bladder? No, I haven't. Thank you. See you.